welcome back to my video. I am super excited that you are here today, since today we're going to be doing a review of the buybuy BABY baby registry box. I just picked this box, well, this bag up last week, so it's super new. I got this in August 2021. I'm super excited to see all the things that I got into this box and share with you the things you can expect when you pick up your box. It might be different across each store, each state, where you live, and that sort of thing, but this is what I got from my box, and I hope this will be helpful to figure out whether or not you want to get your box. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tiffany, and I post YouTube videos related to lifestyle, beauty. I'm currently in my second trimester, and I'll be expecting a baby this year, and I'm super excited about that. I've been getting these baby boxes and welcome packages, and I'm really excited to just share with you what I got in them. The process to get the bag was super easy. All I needed to do was to create a baby registry on the buybuy BABY website. So I did that, and you just need to go to the store and just tell them that you want, I think it's called the goodie bag, so just want to get and pick up the goodie bag. So I just did that at my local buybuy BABY store and picked this one up. Super easy and straightforward process. You don't have to buy anything unlike other baby boxes. So super easy and convenient. I'd love it if you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel below if you like this video. Be sure to check out my last unboxing and review of a welcome box that I received from Amazon last week. I'll have it linked up there. I also have a video on how I found out I was pregnant, so I love that video. I also got my husband's reaction when I told him that I'm pregnant, so be sure to check that out as well. So now let's go see what's inside this bag for the buybuy BABY bag. It's definitely a pretty light bag, so outlet card. Oh, I got this Philips Avid natural bottle. This is the 4-ounce bottle. This was also featured in the Amazon box that they sent me. So yeah, this one also gives it to you, so that's super awesome to have. The natural bottle, the standard 4-ounce bottle, so that's perfect. I also got this, what is this? Like a diaper? Let's go take a look. So I got some diapers. I think this is one diaper. And oh, I got these sensitive wipes. So that's really awesome. This is a 6-count wipe, and it says dermatologist approved, sensitive, perfume free. Love that. Got some extra cards in here, and oh, some coupons. And I got this laundry detergent sample. This is also in the Amazon registry box. So awesome. I love getting these samples, so makes laundry a breeze. Baby on board sign. You know when people drive their cars and they have like a baby on board sign? I really wanted one. So I'm glad that buybuy BABY gives you it. Baby on board. So you can definitely just put this on your car and everyone will know. Got this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Massage Oil for Stretch Marks. That will definitely come in handy now and when I'm pregnant, and also after during postpartum. So this is a pretty generous big sample. So this is a lot of lotion in here. I got these 2 Aquaphors diaper rash creams. They're pretty small. You can just pop them into the diaper bag, put them onto the changing table. So these are really easy and really great samples to have. What other things do we have here? Okay, so we have these Baby Organics Moisturizing Daily Lotion. Got 3 of these samples. So really easy to take on the go. So this is actually going to be really convenient. And the last thing we have gave me a newborn pacifier. It's actually really cute. It has 2 bears. So cute. This is the MAM. This is the MAM. This is the MAM pacifier. So that's really useful. And that is actually it for the buybuy BABY goodie bag. They're also, I think they have a sister company is Bed Bath & Beyond, so I think this is probably the same that you would get there too. But that is it. Definitely not too many items as compared to the Amazon baby registry box. I think the Amazon one, you definitely get a lot more value. So I'll be sure to check that video out. Yeah, I hope you found this one to be informative. Definitely a lot less than another baby box, but it was free, so I can't complain there. And definitely will be using a lot of the stuff. Like, I think I'll be using most of the stuff that was in the bag, so it's still pretty good value. It's free. You just have to create a baby registry account and go to the store and pick up the goodie bag. I hope you like this video. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe down to my channel below. Make sure to watch the other videos I have about the baby stuff, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!